Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create short riddle videos in just a few minutes. I will demonstrate how to generate multiple videos quickly, explaining each step in an easy and simple manner. I challenge you that even if you're a child, after watching this video, you will able to create these types of videos in just an hour. You can watch this channel named Riddle and you can check the total subscribers of this channel. You can also see the total number of videos uploaded, which is 131 videos. This channel is uploading short riddle videos, and if you observe the design of the videos, you will find them very interesting and engaging. These types of videos have gained views in the range of 1 million to several hundred thousands. And you can also watch another channel of this type named Prime Riddle, which is also uploading short riddle videos. Here you can also check the subscribers and total videos of this channel. Similarly, if you scroll down, you can see that there are some amazing quiz videos available here as well. And these videos also have views in the millions and thousands, which are helping this channel to grow. To create riddle videos, we will need some simple software and tools. Don't worry, you are already using this software. I am talking about first Chatgpt, second Canva and Capcut. On Chatgpt, we will generate unlimited riddles and quizzes for a video. On a Canva, we will design a template and create the videos. But on Capcut, I will explain what we will do towards the end of the video. Step 1. Go to Chatgpt and type a prompt to create riddles. If you are unsure which prompt to use in Chatgpt, you can use the one I provide in the channel's description. Simply copy this prompt and paste it into Chatgpt. But if you take a closer look at the prompt, I'm asking Chatgpt to create 5 engaging and interesting riddles that contain 2 options. The first one will be the riddle itself and the second will be its answer. For instance, I have provided the example for Chatgpt, such as riddle, I have no life but I can die. What am I? Answer, battery. Additionally, I am asking Chatgpt to organize all the generated data into a table format. Now copy this prompt and paste it into Chatgpt and click generate button. You can see the result. Chatgpt has generated unique riddles and their answers. Now ask Chatgpt to create more riddles like this. But wait, here you will type the number of riddles you want to create from Chatgpt. Suppose you want to create 300 riddles, then you will type 300. If you want 1000 riddles, then you will type 1000 in Chatgpt. But for now, I just want to create 50 riddles, so I will type 50 here and click on the generate button. Now you can see that Chatgpt has started creating the riddles. Okay, so the riddles are ready now. We will use them to create videos. Step number 2. Here you will visit the Canva website. In the search bar here, you will type TikTok videos. As you know, the resolution for TikTok video, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels videos is the same. So here you will click on the TikTok video option. As you can see, this is a blank page, so we need to create a template from this page for a riddle video. So first of all, I extend its duration to 15 seconds. You can set the duration as per your preference. Right now, click on Elements and go to the search bar. Here, type the keyword riddle background. So here, you can check out a lot of background videos. And whichever background video you like, you can choose it from here. But I will scroll down here and add this video, which I find good. Now, we need to add some other things, such as text. So here, you will go to the text section and click on add heading. And here, you will type riddle. Now, we will make it a bit bigger, and after enlarging it, we need to give this text some color. So here, you will click on a color and you will find many colors. You can choose any color you want, but I will add the yellow color here. Now, we need to give this text a border. For that, you will click on Effects, click on Outline and choose the color black for the outline, increasing the thickness a bit. Next, we need to lock this background video. In this video, you will notice a 3D rectangle shape for the background that we want to include. You can make it yourself, or I can give you a link in the video description where you can download it. Then you just add it to your video. But I can also help you make this shape manually if you prefer. While I'm making this shape, I mute my voice. You can follow these easy steps to create a similar shape yourself. The rectangle shape is ready. Now we need to add riddles and their answers. So here in the text section, click on add heading, type riddle here. Now create another copy of this text and this time type answer in it. You can change the color and font of the text if you want. Next, we will need an animated question mark. So in the element section, search for question mark. Click on the graphics section, go to the filter options and click on animated. Now you can check out various animated elements. I will add this element to the answer position. Now we need to adjust the duration of all these elements properly. Next, we need to add a timer sound effect along this question mark. You can search for the timer keyword and add this sound effect. Make sure to set the duration of elements and sound effects properly. Now, we need to add sound effect with the answer, so you can search for the bell sound effect in the search bar again. You can use any sound effect you like. Now, we have to add those riddles and answers to this video which we generated from Chatgpt. So you will go to the Chatgpt, copy all the data, then come back to the Canva, go to the app section, search for an option called bulk create, click on bulk create, then click on enter data manually. Delete this garbage data from here and paste the data we copied from Chatgpt. Before adding this data to the video, please set the text alignment to ensure that the text does not exceed the background. Now we need to add the data to the video. For this, you need to click on the Riddle where you can see the option Connect Data. Click on it and tick the Riddle option. You will then see a tick sign in the sidebar, meaning the data has been added to the Riddle. Similarly, click on the answer, then click the Connect Data option. After reselecting the answer, you can see that the data has also been added to the answer. Now, we only need to add background music to the video. If you use music from Canva, there's a risk of receiving copyright strike. To avoid this, you can download music from the YouTube audio library and use it in your video. However, I'm not adding music to this video. Now, we only need to perform 2 clicks to generate 49 videos. To do this, click on the Continue button in the Canva sidebar. Next, click on Generate 49 Designs. You will see that a new page opens up. Now, you can witness this magic. Canva has created 49 designs. However, there might be some issues with the text alignment in these videos. So please manually check and adjust all the videos. Once everything is corrected, we will need to download the videos. To do this, click on the Share button, set the resolution and make sure to tick Download Pages as separate files. Then click on the Download button and videos will start downloading. Once the videos are downloaded, you will see a zip file. Right click on the file and select Extract here. You will then see that all the videos have been extracted from this file. Now you can upload these videos to your YouTube channel. But wait, there's still more work to be done. If you play first video, you will notice that it contains background sound effects. However, when you play the second or third video, you will find they do not have sound effects. So you will need to add these yourself. To do this, we will use CapCut software, but you can use any video editing software you prefer. Once CapCut is open, you should select all the videos and either import them or drag and drop them into CapCut. However, for now, I am going to drag and drop just 5 videos into CapCut. Firstly, add the first video to the timeline, then right click on it. Here you will see the option Extract Audio. Click on it. Next, delete the first video from the timeline and add the second video. Export it. So the sound effects from the first video are added to the second video. Similarly, remove the second video from the timeline and add the third video. Then export it. Apply the same process to all videos to add sound effects. Now, you can upload 5 or 10 videos daily to grow your YouTube channel. And these steps will help you to grow your audience and your channel.